Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to remove objects in Filmora. If you want to remove an unwanted object which is disturbing your final product or the final output of the video you are currently editing, this video is for you. So first, open the Filmora app and remove the device, then select the video where you want to remove the unwanted object from. After you've opened the video or selected the video, tap on the frame from where you want to remove the unwanted object. Then simply go ahead and tap on the option called Smart Cutout. Then many options will appear on your screen. Simply go ahead and tap on Customized Cutout. After you select the customized cutout, select an object you want to remove, and that's it. Now you guys know how to remove an unwanted object in Filmora. If the video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else that I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.